today, we do ask you to please review the safety information card that is located in the seatbelt fastened and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and put the elastic band over your head. Pull the straps to tighten and breathe normally. Put on your own mask before assisting others. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Your life vest is in a compartment under or next to your seat. Pull the strap to remove the life vest pouch. If equipped with an elastic harness, remove the harness before opening the pouch. Take the vest out as shown on the safety card and put it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, attach the buckle and tighten. Inflate your vest as you leave the airplane by pulling down on the red tab or by blowing into the red tube. Never inflate the vest inside the airplane. All vests do have a light that turns on automatically in the water. If necessary, an infant life vest will be distributed by a flight attendant. The safety card shows how to use it. We will be dimming our cabin lights for takeoff. You will find individual reading light controls overhead. We would like to thank you for watching our safety demonstration. The use of face coverings on our aircraft is optional. We ask that whether you choose to wear a face mask or not, that you please respect your fellow passengers and crew members' decisions. In the event that the oxygen mask would drop from an overhead compartment during our flight, make sure that you first remove your personal face covering before placing the yellow oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. In addition, federal regulations do prohibit smoking, including the use of vaping devices. service. On this brief flight today, we will be offering a selection of complimentary beverages with an accompaniment. You may also purchase alcoholic beverages using a debit or credit card. As we prepare for the onboard service, you may begin using your approved electronic devices. Wi-Fi and free entertainment are available on our flight today. Connect to the AA in-flight signal on your device, and you can watch free movies or TV shows, or you may purchase Wi-Fi. As a reminder, headphones must be worn when listening to entertainment. You'll find instructions and more information in your seat back pocket. If you do have the Advantage Aviator Red World Elite MasterCard, you will receive savings on Wi-Fi and in-flight purchases. You'll also receive up to $25 back on your Wi-Fi purchases and other benefits such as preferred boarding. If you're not a member of the Aviator card, if you do not have an Aviator card, ask a flight attendant for more details. While you are seated on our brief flight, we do recommend that you keep your seatbelt securely fastened and visible to the crew, as turbulence can happen unexpectedly. If you do open an overhead compartment, please use caution. Carry-on items may have shifted during takeoff. We invite you now to relax and enjoy your flight.